Good afternoon. It's a kind of warmish day here in Colorado, beginning of March. Haven't recorded a whole lot in the last month. I haven't really gone on any adventures. Um, Currently not on an adventure. However, I did get a new GoPro Hero 7, so we're just kind of testing this out, see what the audio sounds like and what the video looks like. We'll get some footage here and just kind of test this out and do something, because I'm kind of bored and itching to get out there and new adventures, and it's been a little too cold for at least my comfort in Colorado to do any type of camping, so we'll just kind of test this out. So let's go catch some footage, okay? Okay, now we're shooting in 2.7K, so a little more than HD, but a little less, or a little less than 4K. Just kind of check out what the footage looks like, and I think the stabilization is on this, so we'll kind of see how that looks going forward. So hopefully the audio sounds pretty good. It was a little windy earlier, so I don't know if that kind of picked up on it or not, but we're gonna check it out. I definitely think I'll have to get a second battery for this, because it looks like I'm way at a quarter of the battery life on this. So hopefully it'll last here for a little bit longer. So I can see everything's pretty brown from winter, but spring is right around the corner, so things will start to green up, and camping season's just around the corner. I'm looking forward to it. Granted, I could go camping if I want to drive 14 hours to the desert somewhere, Arizona or California, Utah, possibly Utah. It's still kind of cold in Utah too, but I don't know. We'll kind of check out the footage when we get back. Okay, so I got to check out the footage, and it turned out pretty good, and I was really surprised by the audio quality, considering it's just using the in-camera microphones. It turned out really well. So if you like the content, please subscribe, share with your friends, and until the next adventure, we'll see you then.